From north to south of Cebu, we bring you the questions of the people and the answers that matter. This is Talk Politics. And now we ask, Running Vice Governor Agnes Magpale.
Pwede ba kadto na pong mga tago na lugar ang tagaan o atensyon aron mapanindot ilang turismo?
Kaayo gani, this is the very reason why we activated the Cebu Tourism Officers Association, kanang CTOA. And sila, together with their local chief executives, we gave them the ilang role nga pagpangita sa mga assets sa ilang kalungsuran. And of course, this is in line with the policy of the provincial government to disperse tourism to the outskirts. Kay for the longest time, tourism dinhi sa Cebu would just involve that Mactan, Cebu City, of course, hain na ang mga resorts, maybe as far as Naga, because there are some nice resorts there. Now, we embarked on a campaign to disperse tourism to the countryside. Mauto nga, i-activate na mo ang CTOA. This is the Cebu Tourism Officers Association. Dili galit tanan nga lungsod dunay mga tourism officers. Unya, amon as lang gi-encourage to come up with package tours. Inevitably, some controversial topics will be touched on if I discuss this lengthily, because this was also the reason ngano nga nang palit ni og bases katong gipanghatag ni suspended Governor Gwen Garcia. Kay ang original plan was to give the towns that can package a viable tour to their respective communities, tagaan ni ana. Di na lang kung touch kay a little controversial what happened next, but anyway, usa na, no? Then the other thing, the Suruy-Suruy Subo was originally meant for this nga. At doon to katong mga lugar pakita. And this was ang plano ni ini, mahuman na gali nga naana ang package, this will be turned over to the private sector. But we saw to it that there are enough accommodations that can meet the standards of the tourist. Not necessarily 5-star hotels, mga bisan 3 stars, but naghimo mi og among criteria, and at the very start we called it a seal of approval. Murag good housekeeping seal. Ginagmay lang. Dunay tubig, safe, unya limpyo. Very simple ang criteria niya. Yes, we started this already. Mao nga ang tuyo ug tumong was to disperse tourism to the countryside para matagamtaman sad nila ang the benefits of tourism economically.
Can you make a right decision?